We need to talk about how AI is going to transform property investing here in Australia. AI is a big buzzword at this point in time, and there's a lot of reasons that people are fearful about the impacts of artificial intelligence, and there's a lot of reasons to be excited about how this might transform the way we invest. Now, I myself am always on the optimistic side of how things are going to play out. I'm generally not the type of person to be downtrodden about the impacts of technology and how we can use it to our advantage. And if you're like me, you're probably using these algorithms to your advantage at this point in time to give you ideas, to brainstorm with your work, to draft emails and all those sorts of things. But AI is going to go so much further in terms of the property market. So let's unpack 5 core ideas about how AI might actually impact Australia's property market. The first thing to think about is how AI is going to use predictive market analysis. And this means picking the right locations using AI algorithms. Currently, we as a business collate a whole bunch of data using some of these algorithms to make our jobs a lot quicker in terms of actually collating this information. And it comes from key data warehouses or resources. These could include the Australian Bureau of Statistics, CoreLogic or Cotality as it's known at this point in time, SQM research and DSR data. There's so many different sources out there, but these AI algorithms can essentially allow people to create their own models using their own sources of information and collate that information in a more meaningful way to assess property values and where future trends and growth locations might lie. And so the interesting part about this is the data side of the investing is going to become a lot easier for a lot more people. And that's where I think the art of investing may be the difference maker between people moving forward. Because these AI algorithms are only as good as the information that they're fed. And so these AI algorithms are only going to get more and more advanced to help people pick property hotspots and growth locations. But I think we're still going to need the qualitative side of the property investment sphere, which is going to come from the human element, about putting the data in a meaningful way and asking or putting in good prompts for good responses out of these AI algorithms. And so the qualitative side of property investing is still going to be there, which is where the local expertise and chartered accountant background and buyer's agency space is still going to play a key role for people acquiring assets here in Australia. This leads into the next key area, which is going to be automated property searching. You can imagine at the moment that new listings go up and these AI algorithms can scrape the data of every listing in Australia and analyze it in a much faster way than people can manually. But one key differentiating factor is photos. Because a lot of these photos are AI altered, the selling agents make the grass greener or they stage it with virtual furniture. That's where physical inspections are going to be very important. Yes, we can have Matterport imagery and 3D imagery, but nothing beats walking a property physically with a human being. And so that human element to property searching is going to be impacted on the digital space, on sourcing deals. But I still think you're going to need your building and pest inspectors and your agents or yourself to go and physically walk a property or have someone walk a property so the property is what you think it is. Because as these online or digital space becomes more advanced and the selling agent side of the property equation still uses AI to alter photos or to alter the way that a property could be presented, it's about balancing that automated searching to the physical inspections of properties as well. I think it's also going to impact property management. So item number 3 is your property manager should be streamlining their processes using AI technology. This could allow for 24/7 maintenance requests and automation in terms of emails and billing and fees. And a lot of this already happens. We've already got systems and processes, which is automating the routine processes of property management services. And so that's why I think the property management space is going to go along with the buying and selling of assets here in Australia. Now, what I'm really getting excited about is this enhanced due diligence. To be able to take a deeper dive into generating images of how a development might look like and doing technical work around the numbers of how to unpack property deals. For example, say you're looking to build out a $5 million property portfolio and you want an AI algorithm to map out your income, your expected income over the next 5 to 10 years, as well as your expected expenses over the next 5 to 10 years, and you're putting in when you expect to have kids and your savings rates. You're going to be able to build these algorithms to spit out information that can allow you to on the fly, make changes to your current circumstances to impact your future financial position. And so these AI algorithms can be trained essentially to map out your life. Now, we don't want them to control our lives, but I think could be useful for due diligence on developments and projects, as well as personal planning. So financial planning, essentially, to map out your journey and put into, these scenarios, buffers and risk profiles to give you key prompts around what you can do in your journey. For example, you might say, I want to go on a $10,000 holiday a year. And the AI algorithm might spit out, well, that's going to impact your future wealth by $50,000 because that $10,000 would have compounded year on year. And so it's just giving you more information to make informed decisions. And it allows you to do due diligence faster, running flood checks, fire checks, landslide checks. You could do all that through the AI resources. And there's lots of tools out there at the moment, but I think these AI algorithms are going to collate it and put it all into one place where you can run these data sets out in a meaningful way in a very short period of time. Which leads me into number 5, which is smarter financial decision making. And so the AI is just a resource. It's just a tool. And yes, it may have its own mind in the future as it learns faster than humans have the ability to, and that's a whole nother topic for another day. But I think the purpose of using artificial intelligence is to help you make meaningful decisions. I don't want to worry about tomorrow. I want to worry about being present and being here today. And using tools like AI and like Google Spreadsheets as a basic, calculator. Using these tools should help you make informed decisions, not instill you with fear and worry about the future. I think the purpose of using all these resources is there are going to be players in the buyer's agency and the property space that dominate because they know how to use these AI tools, rather than people who get left behind because they're not willing to try or to pick up and to learn and move with the times. You've probably seen this with your parents and your parents' parents. Trying to teach a 75 or 80-year-old to use a laptop 10 years ago was a very interesting exercise. And then smartphones were the new thing. And then now apps on smartphones. I know with my parents, there's some things that they'd never do and never order on Uber Eats in their life, or not how to know how to use these apps to their full potential. And so the next generation behind myself is going to be even more well-versed with this AI technology, and it is going to be integrated as part of the way that they build the structures and systems to make financial decisions. Now, what's the point of this? What's the point of using technology? It's that you're not sitting on a screen 9 hours a day. I don't plan to be sitting at this desk for this 9 till 5 window for today, where I am right now. I want to be driving my boys to school. I want to be playing with them this afternoon from 4 o'clock. And so the point of creating financial wealth and using these tools and resources is not so that we sit at our screens from 9 to 5 every day and live our life trying to create financial wealth for our families. It's about creating more choices. That's my opinion about why we use these tools and resources. And AI is going to be a massive component in the next 5 to 10 years, especially how fast these algorithms are learning. And so that's the way I see it. I'm not worried about this technology moving forward. As it evolves, I want to learn how to use it. I want to give it prompts. I want to build my own systems and resources and leverage off the best or, the key leaders in the property industry that are using these resources. But I'm not worried about the technology. I'm using it to my advantage, and then I'm being present with my life and focusing on the things that are important to me. And that comes from my Christian faith. That comes about the way I live out my values. And am I valuing these AI tools and making more money? That's not the value. It's using this to create more choices and to create more freedom. And that's why I invest in property. It's about creating time freedom and living out my values with my family, with my church community, playing my football, playing music. All these things that AI and technology can't give you is getting off those screens and getting off those phones. And so I'd love to hear your thoughts about AI tech and how it's impacting your world right now and how you think it might impact the property market in the future. And if you're looking for help to buy a property in Southeast Queensland, from as far north as Caboolture in Moreton Bay down to Coolangatta on the Gold Coast or anywhere in between, then head over to purposeproperty.com.au to book in a free chat with myself. We can sit down and have a chat about where you're at right now, what you're looking to do in terms of your property journey moving forward, and how we can help you secure a property here in Southeast Queensland in the next 3 to 6 months. So head over to purposeproperty.com.au for that. And give this video a click right here because YouTube thinks you need to give that one a watch all the way through to the end, and I'll see you over there. Peace.